All right, section 3.5 for geometry is on constructing parallel lines. And I'm going to show you two ways that you can do it. I'm sure there's more, but I'm just going to show you the two. Remember when we were talking about when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal? And I know that this angle and this angle are congruent because they're corresponding angles, right? So we're going to use this idea to create a line that's parallel to this that goes through this point, okay? So first of all, I want to create that transversal. Just do that. And now I want to copy this angle so that it ends up being up here, okay? So remember duplicating angles. I'm going to go ahead, swing an arc, and then I'm going to swing that same arc right there. And then I need to measure that opening so that I can duplicate this angle. A little too wide. All right. So then I go here, swing an arc so it intersects that arc I made before. And now I need to connect this to that point. And if you did it correctly, you will see that this angle, or that line and that line are going to be parallel. Oops, I'm sorry. We'll do a lot of practicing of these in class. I just want you to be able to have a little practice beforehand so you know what you're doing. The other way that you can do this, I think it takes a little, well, maybe an extra step or two, is by creating a couple of perpendicular angles. All right, so remember how we can create a line through this point that's perpendicular. We did that in the last video. So you want to make your compass opening so that when you swing an, oh, that's not open enough. So that when you swing an arc, it intersects the line twice in two places. And then from those two places, you're just going to swing an arc above the line like that. And I'm going to connect this intersection with this point. And when I do that, I know that that's a 90-degree angle. All right. Well, I'm going to do that again, only this time I'm going to go through this point. Okay. I don't think we've talked about how do you do it from if the point is on the line. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and measure this distance right here. If you can see it. And then I want to make a point on the left side of this point that's the same distance as that distance right there. And now we're just going to consider those the new endpoints of my line segment that I want to bisect with perpendicular. Okay, put your pointy part there. Your compass has to be more than halfway. Swing an arc above and below from each endpoint that we created so that you have a set of intersecting marks here and a set of intersecting arcs here. And we're just going to connect those two intersecting arcs so that it's 90 degrees. And if you did that correctly, this is parallel to this. Personally, I think this one is a little faster, but if you understand this one, obviously the one you understand the most is the one you're going to use. You'll have plenty of time to practice these in class. But that is the first 5 sections on geometric constructions. And then section 6, we're going to start getting into creating or doing construction problems with pieces that they give us. But for now, that's all we got. Bye.